Assalamu alaikum viewers. Viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel Mahmoodi Onlines. Viewers, in this video I am going to tell you about the digital marketing courses. Viewers, before starting the video, I request to you to visit to our YouTube channel, that is Mahmoodi Onlines. Viewers, do subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to be connected with us. Guys, let's start the video. Guys, with how accessible the internet is today, would you believe me if I told you that the number of people who go online every day is still increasing day by day? Yes, it is in fact constant internet usage among adults increased by 5% in just the last 3 years. According to Pew Research, and although we say it a lot, the way people shop and buy really has changed along with it. Meaning offline marketing isn't as effective as it used to be. Marketing has always been about connecting with your audience in the right place and at the right time. Today, that means you need to meet them where they are already spending time on the internet. At HubSpot, we talk a lot about inbound marketing as it is a really effective way to get attracted, engaged, and delight customers online. But we still get a lot of questions from people all around the world about digital marketing, so we decide to answer them. Digital marketing encompasses all marketing efforts that use an electronic devices or the internet. Businesses leverages digital channels such as search engine, social media, emails, and other websites to connect with current and prospective customers. As seasoned inbound marketers might say inbound marketing and digital marketing are virtually the same thing, but there are some minor differences. And conversations with marketers and businessmen, owners in the US, UK, Asia, Australia, and New Zealand, I have learned a lot about how these small differences are being observed across the world. While traditional marketing might exist in print ads, phone communications, or physical marketing, digital marketing can also occur electronic and online. This means that there are far more possibilities for brands to research customers, including email, videos, social media, and search engines. At this stage, digital marketing is vital for your business and brand awarenesses. It seems like every other brand has a website, and if they don't, they are at least have a social media presence or digital and ad strategy. Digital contents and marketing is so common that consumers now expect and rely on it as a way to learn about the brands. Long story short, to be competitive a business owner, you will need to embrace some aspects of digital marketing because digital marketing has so many options and strategies associated with it. You can get creative and experimental with a variety of marketing tactics on a budget. With digital marketing, you can also use tools like analytics, dashboard to monitor the success and ROI of your companies more than you could be a traditional promotional content such as billboard or print ad. Now let us discuss about its featured resources. Like how does a business define digital marketing? Digital marketing is defined by the use of numerous digital tactics and the channels to connect with customers where they spend much of their time online. From the website itself to a business online branding asset, digital advertising, email marketing, online brochures and beyond, there is a spectrum of tactics that fall around the umbrella of digital marketing. The best digital marketers have a clear picture of how each digital marketing companies support their ever changing goals. And depending on the goals of their marketing strategies, marketers can support a large campaigns through the free and paid channels at their disposal. A content marketers, for example, can create a series of blog posts that serve to generate leads from a new ebook the business recently created. The company social media marketers might then help promote these blog posts through paid and organic posts on the business social media accounts. Perhaps the email marketers creates an email campaign to send those who download the ebook more information on the company. We will talk more about these specific digital marketers in a minute. Like search engine optimization, that is SEO. You might be aware of SEO, content marketing, social media marketing, PPC, that is pay per click, affiliate marketing, native advertising, marketing automation, email marketing, online PR, inbound marketing, and sponsored contents. Now, here is a quick rundown of some of the most common digital marketing tactics and the channel those are involved in each and one. Starting from SEO, that is search engine optimization. Guys, this is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine result pages. thereby increasing the amount of organic, that is free, traffic to your website receives. The channel that benefits from SEO include websites, blogs, and infographics. Now there are number of ways to approach SEO in order to generate qualified traffic to your website. This may include like on-page SEO, off-page SEO. Now I will tell you on-page SEO. Guys, on-page SEO, this page of SEO focuses on all the contents that exists on that page when looking at a website. By researching keyword for their search volume and intent or meaning, you can answer questions for re-understanding and ranking higher on the search engine result page, that is SERP. Those questions which are produced there. Now, knowing about the off-page SEOs, this type of SEOs focuses on all of the activity that takes place off the page. When looking to optimize your website, what activity not on my own website could affect my ranking, you might ask. The answer is inbound links, also known as backlinks. The number of publishers that link to you and the relatives authority of those publishers affect how highly you rank for the keyword you care about. By networking with other publishers, writing guests posts on those websites, ad linking back to your websites, and ad generating external attention, you can earn the backlinks you need to move your website up on all the right SEOs. Guys, this was about the SEO. Now let us discuss about the technical SEOs. Guys, this type of SEOs focuses on the back end of your websites and how your pages are coded. This is about the image compression, structured datas, and CSS files. Guys, CSS files optimizations are all forms of technical SEOs that can increase your website's loading speed. This is an important ranking factor in the eye of search engines like Google. Guys, now let me tell you about the content marketing. Guys, this term denotes the creation and promotion of contents assets for the purpose of generating brand awarenesses, traffic growth, lead generation, and customers. The channels that can play a part in your content marketing strategy may include blog posts, ebooks and white papers, and infographics. Now, let me tell you about the blog posts. Guys, writing and publishing articles and accompany blogs help you demonstrate your industry expertise and generates organic search traffic for your business. This ultimately gives you more opportunities to convert website visitors into leads for your sales team. Now, what is ebook and white papers? Guys, ebooks, white papers, and similar long forms content help further educate website visitors. It also allows you to exchange content for a reader's contact information, generating leads for your company, and moving people through the buyer's journey. Now, what is infographics? Guys, sometimes readers want to show you, but they can't tell. Infographics are a form of visual contents that help website visitors to visualize a concept you want to help them learn. Now, want to learn and apply content marketing to your business? Check out HubSpot Academy's free content marketing training resources page. Guys, now at last I want to tell you about the social media marketing. Guys, this practice promotes your brand and your content on social media channels to increase your brand awareness, drive traffic, and generate leads for your business. Guys, these were the channels that you can use in social media marketing. Guys, this was all about digital marketing courses. Guys, if you found the video interesting and informative for you, please like the video, visit our YouTube channel Mahmoodi Onlines, do subscribe and press the bell icon. Guys, thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.